I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? So today for Shein, we have a try on haul because I am in. Finally figured out how to say it. It's Shein, not Shane, like I've been saying for the past couple years. Oof. Anyways, I mixed up a combo here because we got a try on haul, and like I just said, so I mixed up this jacket because the pants didn't fit, which you'll see at the end. Anyways, let's get started. Baby girl, baby girl. Avocado. Do you want like avocado? Avocado. Look how cute these jammies are. Oh my goodness. I love me a cute new pair of jammies. But you guys know my absolute obsession with avocados. And if you don't, I am obsessed with avocados. They're good for the hair, the skin, for the nails, for the booty gains, for all of the gains. Avocados actually have so many benefits. Well, look it up. I'm not lying. But yeah, so cute. Yes, bless, no stress. Yes, bless, no stress. Who do I think I am? Okay, so this one is really cute. You tie it here, and then you wrap it around that waist, girl. Bring it to the side, and then do like a little cute bow tie right here. Ooh, if you didn't see, I posted a picture on the Instagram, TBB Love 2. Most likely in all these outfits, so go follow. If you're not following. I was doing this with that side hip booty pose pop, you know, one of the girls' favorite. I call this the I have to pee dance, because this pose is very popular for females because you stick out the butt and the hips, but then your like leg is crossed. It looks like I gotta pee, but it's really cute for outfits. So I call that I gotta pee dance. And then you already know. Like that. But then yeah, the buttons right here, you know, it's a situation that I like. Ooh. See, and this is why I just can't. But don't these pants just like scream Hawaii? So it's a little tight over here, but it's like a mix of like Adidas and Hawaii vibe. I don't know if I'd wear these to the gym just because they're like really see-through, and Jenna, pretty big on my waist. I can't stand, but then the top is just so small. They make the bottoms too big and the top really small. I'm too hot. I can't do this, but it's still cute though. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, let me relax. It's the coffee. So these strings, you can scrunch. Oh shit. Don't scrunch too hard, you break things. You scrunch it, tie it to your liking. Now if I'm at home, these bad boys are getting tied all the way up. If I'm wearing these to the gym, a sweater is going behind. Because I am not the type that likes that kind of attention at the gym. Girls be in there like this with these high shorts, squatting like, oh my looking at my ass. I just don't get it. He's so gross. Girl, you're walking up in the gym in these tiny ass shorts, wondering. Okay. So anyways, these are cute. Okay, obviously I wouldn't wear with these shorts, but I'm just showing you. This top is so soft, so fuzzy. Now, these strings here would tie up here like this. So right now I'm not gonna do it, but they tie like that. It's so soft. Oh my god. Absolutely love a butterfly on the shirt. Absolutely love a crop top. Absolutely love fur. Fake fur. If you know me, you know I love pink. If you know me, you know I love pink. Girl. These are what I call get up street style get up. I can always go for one of these with some nice shoes. Even rock it to the gym. Scratchy material. I got this in burgundy too, but for some reason the burgundy is too big. I don't know what's a diff, but anyways, so cute. Okay, I gotta look up instructions on how to tie this dress because something's all twisted, but it's really cute. So anyways, it ties here. It's a cute little summer dress that opens up here. So, like I said, need some help here. Help, send help, because if I let go here, we're letting go of the whole dress opens right. So yeah, but once we get it on, all right, put this back on just to talk to you because obviously that dress was not fitting. Well, it fit and it's really cute. I just gotta figure out how to tie it together because honestly, I don't know what it was the situation. It's really cute though, so I'm gonna look up some instructions on that bad boy. But anyways, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all soon.